Hello guys, have you ever had one of those nights where you just want to scream? That has been my night tonight. Ugh. Okay. Yes, I'm wearing my old glasses. My other glasses are bothering my ears so bad that they just hurt and I just can't take it. So tonight I went ahead and put on my old glasses. I can't find my selfie stick. I still don't know where it's at, so I don't know how good this video is going to be for you. I have no clue where it is. I don't know. My life is really a disaster right now. Yeah. I'm not happy and things are not going well for me right now. But besides that, I got a Stitch Fix. So I did learn how to film myself wearing the clothes, but I can't do that really very good without my selfie stick because I am propping, let's see, let me try to do something here. Okay, hold on. My pen went in the trash. Okay, I am propping this up, so you're only going to be able to see like this part of my outfit. If you want me to do that, I can try it and see how it goes. Pen just fell in the sink. Stay there. Ugh. I have my heater going over here because I have no heat vent in my bathroom. And it's 57 degrees in my house. And it is cold in here and yeah. So, wow, I got two bundles. They look like they're thick clothes. Like, this is 2 things. And this is 3 things. They're all dark. And I've got a cat that's trying to go in and out, in and out, in and out. And somebody knocked over the cat water bowl. And somebody's been running my washing machine all night long. And I need to wash clothes. And it's now too late for me to do that. I'm going to try not to be grouchy when I do this. Okay. Fix number 82. Looks like my stylist's name is Alyssa. If I get through this, it'll be a miracle. Okay. There are 5 items in this box. They all total to $306. If you take the 25% discount, it minuses $76.50, so the whole box is $229.50. So let's see what we have here. Let's get this first one undone. So, MPG Sport. If you hear anything in the background, my scanner is on the other side of this door. I can't really hear what it's saying, but it's there. So when I'm done with this, I can plug it in here. I only have one plug in here. Okay, Serene Luxe Slide Slit Pullover in black. Ooh, it's very, very soft. I do like this. I do like this. It's black. I don't know if it's going to be too big. But it's not a sweatshirt. It's lighter than a sweatshirt. And you know how I am about these wide necks. So I'm not sure about that. This is $48. Okay, the next thing. TASCE Performance Riverwalk sweatshirt in navy. And this is, oh my God, $78. Whoa. This is very lightweight. It has kind of a, you know, that pattern. I can't think of the name of it. But anyway, it's long sleeves. It's got the high-low camouflage. That's what I'm trying to think. I can't think right now. I'm scattered, believe me. You know, this is not soft. It's pretty rough material, and I do not think it's worth $78. So you know what? I mean, I could try it on for you guys, but I'm not planning to get that. That's pretty pricey for me. I know I've paid for tops like that, but for just a hanging around long sleeve shirt. Okay, the North Face Aphrodite 2.0 pant in navy. Now I have a pair of these in capris, and this is $52. I love them, but I would not mind getting a pant. I like them. I love these. And back then, they did not have navy. So if these fit me, I have gained weight like you cannot imagine. So if these are too tight, I'm hoping that I would be able to fit in them. I really like these pants. To me, these are worth the money. They're not sweatpants. They're thin, so you can wear them in warmer weather. But yeah, I do like those pants. Well, the capris. I do have the capris. Let me back that up. Okay, I got two more things. So far, so good. This is getting a little hot. Soul and Sky Cold Weather Brushed 1/4 Zip Top in black. $48. I like half zip tops. So it don't look too big. It's heavy. It's heavier, and it's black. It kind of has a little pattern to it. Gosh, I hope this isn't going to be one of those boxes that I like everything and I have to decide. It's kind of got purple in it too. It's one of those things where I have to think, what's worth it? Because am I really going to wear this? Is this something that I kind of have something like already? Is it going to be really warm for the winter? That kind of stuff. Okay, this is soft. Mark & Spruce Allison Lace-Up Ribbed Brush Knit Hoodie in dark gray. Okay, I forgot to tell you, those pants, those North Face pants are $80. $80. Okay, this top is $48. I tell you right now, it looks too short. It's really soft, but it's one of those floppy tops that has no shape to it. So I tell you right now, I would not try this on because I know I'm not going to get it. It does have this lace-up thing on the front, which is okay. But I don't think this is going to be very warm. It's not that type of a top. This last one that I held up, the half zip, is warmer feeling than that one. So I like some stuff in here, but I don't care for some stuff in here. Like, I like the half zip top. I like the North Face pants. I do not like the, let's see, which is it? Okay, I do not like this one, which is the one I just opened up. And the, is this a $78? Yeah, I don't like that just because of the price. And this sweater thing, it's too much of a sweater. This was the first one I did. yeah, so there's some things I like about things and things I don't like about things. So I'm really trying to buy Christmas stuff right now. So I'm really going to have to ration out what's what. So that's what I did. What was it, the last one? I didn't decide that night. I kept thinking about it when I went to bed. And I thought it even over the next day, because you've got 3 days till you have to send this stuff back. So I think that's the black and pink top, the Calvin Klein that was like expensive. And I had to get a bigger size. And I really weighed that because I thought, you know, it's a nice, you could wear it for dress. It would go with black pants, really nice. So that's what I'm going to have to probably do in this box. I'm really tired tonight. I didn't have a rough day, but it's just stuff when I came home tonight that, you know, I'm not thrilled about. So, and I also have a sore toe. I had an ingrown toenail, which I haven't had since I was a kid, and I had it worked on and at the doctor's office, and it is killing me. It's hurt me for the last, I had it done on Thursday last week, so it is hurting me too. So yeah. Okay, guys, I'm no more of my sad stories, I promise. So this is about Stitch Fix. I need to not get other stuff in here. So I'm glad I finally got one. It has been a long time since I ordered one. So, but I do have that Style Pass where you pay $50 and you get all the Stitch Fixes you want with no styling fee. That's worth the money, let me tell you. Okay. 80-second Stitch Fix. What am I going to decide? What do you think I'm going to decide? I'm probably not going to try this stuff on for you, since I kind of know that there's a few things I'm not interested in at all. And since I don't have my selfie stick, I can't get a good view of anything. So I'm going to just have to really, really find it, or I'm just going to have to get a new one. I hate that selfie stick. It's the worst one I've ever had. And yeah. If I knew what it was, I would have told you and said, do not buy it. But anyway, that's all I have tonight. Hopefully I have a better day tomorrow. It's going to be a very busy day. And I think it might hit 70 degrees. That would be very nice. Today was kind of chilly, so maybe my house will warm up. All right, guys, that is all I have tonight on a Monday night, October 16th. So I will do a quick video later and tell you what I decided. All right, guys, see ya.